Hello. This is a step-by-step demonstration for submitting shipment notifications through BSI Engage. To begin, you will go to the BSI Engage website and enter the provided username and password. Select Login. This will take you to the BSI Engage dashboard. On the left-hand side, you will find shipments. Select the plus sign for a new shipment. This will bring you to a new shipment page where you will enter all shipment information. First, enter the center that the samples are being shipped from. This is a drop-down menu of all sites listed by network. You may search by network, site number, or city and state. For training, we will use the training site. Next, you will select the carrier that will be transporting the samples. This is also a drop-down menu. Next is the date shipped. The date will be pre-populated for the day you are completing this form. If you need to adjust the date, select in the box, and a calendar pop-up will appear so that you can adjust the date accordingly. Next is the notes box. This is a free text field where you may enter any additional information we should know about the shipment. Next is shipment type. This is the refrigerant being used during transit. Again, a drop-down menu. Last is the tracking number. Here, enter the tracking number from the airway bill. Now you will upload the manifest. Select Choose File and upload accordingly. If successfully uploaded, the manifest name will be listed. Last is the attachment field. Here you may upload any additional attachments if needed. Once all fields are completed, select Submit Shipment. After submitting shipment, a summary page will appear with all information you have entered. Once the summary page appears, you have successfully sent the shipment notification to Precision. If you have any additional questions or issues with BSI Engage, please reach out to the Precision email listed here. For general support, reach out to the NIDDK CR support email listed below. Thank you.